Today, from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're going to show you how to make oatmeal cookie in a microwave oven, and we'll make big cookie. We're going to use 1 cup of oat in here. Instant oat or regular oat, it doesn't matter, but just measure 1 full cup, okay? About 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of organic coconut flour. And then we'll mix this together like that. So mix very easy like that in there. Little bit of salt. Just shake a little bit of salt in it. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. And after you do that, stir it again. See, all of the dry ingredients are in here already. Just stir it. Now we're going to put in wet ingredient. We make a little hole in the center. We'll put in 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of oil. I use coconut oil. And then we're going to put some raisin in here. Put about 3 tablespoons of this in. The next thing we're going to need 2 eggs. So beat in 2 eggs. Now we got everything ready. We just stirred it. This is your oatmeal cookie. It's already formed. And let me show you how to bake easy in a microwave oven, okay? So this is what the coconut cookie look like. So we're going to use these 2 silicone molds to bake them. Before you bake it, you brush these silicone so it's easy cleaning for you later. Dab them with some coconut oil. 1 big cookie go over here, the second one go over here. Okay, gather them and make them into a big giant cookie. And then we can start baking them now. Make sure you patch them out like that so it stays together. Then we put in the microwave oven. Just cook normal 2 minutes first to see how it go. This is your cookie, oatmeal cookie. Now we put the other one in. It's a bigger cookie, so we put it in for 2.5 minutes or even 3, okay? 3 minutes. Okay, so the cookie now is ready. We're gonna take it out, the big cookie. Let it cool a little bit, okay, before you take it out. So it forms better, you can tell it's ready to come off, but let it cool just a little bit. We take out a cookie, let it cool just a little bit so it's easy for you to take it out, see? Like that. You can flip it over. Okay, so this is your cookie. Here, your cookie. Easy, microwave oven, ready to go. You can let it cool before you eat them, or you can just eat them right away, a little bit hot and warm. But these cookies are so good. You can cut them or eat them like that. Cut them in small pieces or eat them. Okay, from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Healthy oatmeal cookie. Bye now from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Hope you're happy and healthy.